Let's turn one idea into a whole coloring book all the way to a PDF you can print. Open AI Coloring Book over on the left. First, it asks for a name, and this one's the Cozy Coffee Shop Coloring Book. Then choose how many pages you want. This one has 8. Then the style. Whatever you pick here carries through every page so the whole coloring book matches. This one's kawaii. Then the page size. Portrait for kids' books, landscape for wide views, and square to frame, every scene the same. This one's square. Now describe the coloring book you want. Name the rooms and the moments you want in it, because the more detail you give, the less your pages end up looking the same. Then click Generate Coloring Book. Before it creates a single page, you'll see a written concept for each one. And none of this is final. If a page isn't what you had in mind, click Regenerate on that one or rewrite the line yourself. When the list has the pages you want, click Looks Good. It takes a few minutes and you can keep working while it runs. This one took about 3 minutes. Then click the book to open it. There's your coloring book, 8 pages all in one place from the counter to the roasting room in the back. Turn on Reorder Images and you can move the pages around until the order feels right. Then set the paper size to 8.5 by 8.5 inches so nothing gets cut off when it prints. And add a margin. If this coloring book is going up on a marketplace, art that runs all the way to the edge is what gets a file rejected, and 0.5 centimeter keeps you clear. Now let's download it. This option here is where you set how many blank pages go between each drawing. Markers bleed through the paper, so that blank sheet is what saves the drawing on the other side. 1 is enough for thick paper, 2 or 3 if it's thin. And that's your coloring book. You can print it at home tonight, wrap it up as a gift, or put it in your online shop.